Motorsports in Lufkin, Texas, your authorized Bass Cat Yamaha Mercury dealer. Here I'm standing beside a recent traded in 2017 Bass Cat Caracal. This thing's loaded out, it's powered by a 225 Yamaha SHO, has less than 50 hours on the engine. I have dual 8-foot power pole blades, Helix 9 in the dash, Helix 9 on the front, and an 80-pound Fortrex. This boat also has the gas tanks in the rear and storage under the seats. If you have any questions on this boat or any of my other inventory, check out my website, rossmotorsports.com, or give us a shout, 936-634-6711. And remember,